Hello there and welcome to a brand new video. In this video, you're looking at BECE 2023 question 3C. As you can see on your screen, it says Gifty and Justina shared an amount of 418 cedis. If Gifty had 20% more than Justina, how much did Justina receive? Now, if you look at what we have here, you realize that Gifty's share is being made with respect to Justina, you see. So let's just first of all say we should let Justina's share be X since we don't know hers or any variable at all. So let Justina's share be X. Now, if Gifty is getting 20% more, then it implies that Gifty's share, she first of all has Justina's share, which is X, plus a 20% of it again. You see, so plus 20%, that is 20% of X. This is what we have over here. And 20% we know we can just write it as 0.2. Okay, so instead of the 20 over 100, which is too bulky, let me just write 0.2 of X. You see, so this is what we have. Let Justina's share be X. Then it will imply that what Gifty's share will be the X plus 20 more of what the X. You see, then now it asks that how much does Justina receive? Now that we have these variables representing their shares, we should know that at the end of the day, they are sharing an amount of what? 418. Hence, if we add their shares together, we are supposed to get a 418. You see, so it implies that Justina's share plus Gifty's share equals 418. And Justina's share we have here is X. So X plus Gifty's share, which is X plus 0.2X, you see, is equal to what? 418 cedis. So it is now up to you to what? Make X the variable. Taking out the bracket, we have X plus 0.2X gives us a 1.2X, which is equal to 418. Now, if we add X to 1.2, we are then going to get what? A 2.2X being equal to 418. Now, with that said, we have to make X the subject. You see, we have to make X the subject. So making X the subject, we have 2.2X, which is equal to 418. And we know 2.2X is actually 22 over 10X. Okay, so 418. Cross multiplying, we have 22X is equal to 418 times 10. Once again, it is X we want. So after this, we then have to what? Divide both sides by what? The 22. So that this 22 here can then cancel this. And then we have this remaining. So what this means is our X is then equal to 408 times 10 all over 22. And upon simplification, you can say your 2 divides 22, 11, and then into 10, how many times? 5 times. And then 11 into itself once, into 418, 38 times. So if you multiply 38 by 5, we are then going to get X being equal to 190. So we conclude initially we said X was Justina's share, you see. So we conclude by saying that it implies that, or therefore, Justina's share, or Justina received what? A 190 cedis. And that is just it. It is as simple as you see. Now, on that note, these are some questions here you can try just to test your understanding. They are just as similar to what we just saw. 3 of them, If there's any issue of concern, you can always let me know at the comment section and I'll address that for you. This is How Beyond Numbers, where we learn maths the easy way. If this is your first time on this channel, you can always choose to subscribe so that anytime I do release a video, you'll be notified as well. If you go to the home page, there are so many topics on mathematics you can start learning from scratch just to enhance your understanding. See you in our next session, and then bye for now.